ka Jingiakop Mareh Kulai ha ka sien ka ba ar Nongbah Shillong ya ka balatip kum ka the Shillong Heritage Horse Show and Regional Equestrian League Arhajar Arphulai ka Sdang ngadu ka santarik jeliu kan kut pat hadu ka nyau tarik jeliu Arhajar Arphulai balapan long da ka Assam Rifles ha ka jing snok tilang ka Equestrian Association of Meghalaya bat ka Shillong Recreation Ground Trust ha Madan Second Ground Polo Shillong hakani ka Jingiakop lawan ban shimbanta kumba arspa arpusan ngut kan thop gi khna kan thai bat chenrang na ki jela ba pher jong ka North East hakani ka Jingiakop le shimbantaru da arngut ki khna khasi uwei na kini ki arngut yo balatep kerteng kumu mebaman kharlung do ubade khna skol ka Assam Valley ulayo khorru e ka takmak siar hakani ka Jingiakop Mareh Kulai Habakran Shakilar Pathai Khubor President ka Equestrian Association of Meghalaya UDGP Barim Gajala uba BK Day Sawian uliat hu uba kani ka Jingiakop ka dei ka wena ki Jingiakop ka bala rem tam haka perthai bat kum ka kunhon ka kwa ban yo ban yashim banta haka national game ka ban salong haka jala Meghalaya
kadi ko Jingiakop but kamdei tang Jingiakop see man's association with an animal with the animal kingdom is I think on 4 or 5 counts. It is the horse, the dog, the cat and the cow. We don't associate ourselves. Yes, we respect the tigers, the elephants and elephants to a certain extent. But otherwise these are the directly related to. And there's a statement with the Nongbah, man's dog is man's best friend. My statement is the horse is man's oldest friend. How can you make a statement like that? I said, yes. When you go into the epics, you have that unicorn. He's a horse with a horn. And through evolution, I believe that through evolution that horn may have got disused because of there was no need for it. And as you said, Madan and Thai, when communities, there were no permanent settlements really. When communities moved from one place to another, not one town to another, one continent to another, the horse was there. It's a very old association. Yes, we will continue with this association. We have our own indigenous horses. We must improve on their breed and also along highly competitive. We must get but it is not difficult to get horses from outside. They're ex-race horses. They do racing up to a certain age, up to about 5, 6. After that, they become unfit for racing. Race horse trainers and owners, they always look for a good home. They need nakaliang jungi liang Kulai. And then this Kulai, but beyond 6 years, they have another 10 years of service. If you maintain them well, up to 16, 17, Kulai ginang laban. Participate, not in the difficult events, but in the standard events of self-training, because like the dressage, it is actually it is a form of sport which is self-training, because actually it's very important. It's one of the most important sport in the equestrian area. Muslim Arhaja Khatra, Sdang Equestrian Association of Meghalaya. Tuminta ka impending on national games. Yung ipagkat to for kan long national games makajara the Olympic disciplines kani ka hindi Jingiakop kimda don the state association kamot kimlaban long ni seng ni ka association o harbajar katra in the month of June, so we are 5 years old now. Ito ko por ni kajingya ne kapki kadi don kam ni ban ya kapki ni ayo eka recognition and affiliation Meghalaya State Olympic Association Batnagar National Federation kata Equestrian Federation of India come to jai within 1 month thank shibnang your affiliation to the MSOA, and within 6 months, no, 4 months, we got our affiliation to the EFI. And the EFI, but the Kuaban told me the long sincere, when you get the saying, the sports bodies, if you saying sports bodies, in the open long here. The I got that. Kalong ka challenging given penlong ko ka Jingiakop of 9 November ni seng association of 9 November ni penlong ka regional equestrian league and the first Shillong horse show. How can you Madan? Ito po pag-impat ya nangi committee nga ngaladon nga kay Mareh Kulai apo di postnem ampun ki committee members yung interested mag-impat yo at first hand experience but nevertheless katagat Jingiakop to before went off very well. It was well appreciated by everyone. Then immediately after that, point of COVID. Jingiakop laban on football ki penlong kini na bat Mareh penlong. They come don ki clubs. When the don ki riding clubs amni tu kena bejok bukan. Du kena kasi because he got an opportunity Assam Valley School. He won a gold. Iman ong bakim kadai baki kim don ki riding clubs. Ina kaliang yungi perkat yungi seng no the riding school and run it in a charitable but yet self-sustaining system so that people can come and ride Kulai, get an experience, take an interest in it, and I'm confident we kasi yung it's not true. West Khasinews have very traditional ponies, and ponies, but some of them have grown up to become horses. Yo kabam gadi Hijrong. The community tiba don't need a riding club and don't need riding centers kan equestrian ko Meghalaya now born gipnaing don siya Dibrugai Meghalaya rap ito Polo when you train now your trainers na Shabal, Australian coaches, Irish coaches, one should do Dibrugai one train na kadika lenti kay hindi man yung prat lenti lam yung ki but yaladi kay kadika sports he don't ki events he jongka he belong registered not registered he got the Equestrian Federation of India and FEI is Federation Equestre International body. We have ki rules and regulations gimlaban shna rules you don't wake events we got the Gymkhana events popular we shim New York idea ki associations na Shabab Shillong, Shabab State, ni penlong ini di Jumkhana events. Yang ni Jingiakop kering both the Olympic disciplines of EFI, of equestrian, and the Gymkhana events. To Gymkhana, more club events. But the Gymkhana events are more to promote an interest amongst the children. Kulai, Madan, I'm quite happy because Nongbah one Kulai, but Jingiakop kaniga ground damin si swinging in ang laban clear na ito ka exhibition niya it was quite a tasking experience, but we came out of it. Won't give long, oh, you can't do it. I said, no, don't worry, me, don't be teams, determined, we'll do it, and we'll do it. And worst comes to worst, we will apologize and tell people that we've done our best. But I think now everyone has said that, it's such a fantastic event. Ngaron na susunod natin kaya Meghalaya ay paglambuan. Kung kibiyang katagad yung Mareh Kulai, yung sport Kulai, yung Madan Kulai, Polo grounds, it was not a football ground, it was not a hockey ground. But a ground for Polo Madan. There were penlong ini horse sports, kadon kataga races room siya. Sunod na bakala bibiyang Kimday itang Madan, kimday itang Nam, Ibawan Manila. Kidiki Kulai, kidiki followers. We come to Quaban break your protocol. But we are long hindi alumni snampat general committee yung da kumno chief minister ula Nongbah 5,000 ako san Nongbah ka national games ni Nongbah hindi man ya kersiu no ikan jing yo tia jongi da penlong ka ni kami di chong meeting ya friend committee member trustees of SRGT di makiru kilai dia collaborate with me Daniel they can do what you to be here for Assam Rifles the guest had Assam Rifles Kulai Assam ni donika daw ko ka hawk ni dia ram organization bari pai ba da yo ka jing kajing kalong kajing kular di organization but naga sarkar Meghalaya kendu chief secretary director sport ni pan jing mut naki tiki ong kapha le ya ni chakman ni yo museum ni sengi gani ni hot riders number borok lega long iko ku northeast Madan got the regional equestrian championship. Nga kumda kmilan team kin wan ka ningwat. Ang kmilan team kan kita ri arpo arusan. Tip kadi ka jingkwa wan kwa pet na ka jing shit jung gibri bukin wan sing lom jung ni ne kadi ka jing kwa jung ki ne ka laban dei ka nam jung ni bukin la. Lai kin long kita ki kam git islami lai don. Ka jing snow singan wan we have got this time a record number of entries 225 na kinikibnay bandep na shubandep ita Assam State Assam State Equestrian Championship Assam State entries are doing 136 but here we have 235 entries 40 horses. Lapun nga ka sultanat na so ping dong ni ka jing ya le kai ini the Google Nagaland Assam Rifles are all from Nagaland for Tezpur for Numaligarh mainly from the Brahmaputra Valley and from from Nagaland. It is because they had the opportunity. That's why they participated. And because they had the opportunity, they excelled. And when they excel, you saw for yourself one gold medal went to a Khasi boy. I think he's the son of a magistrate in Nepal. That's Khasi Hills. And rightly so, as I said, Kulai